Good morning. I am S. Vasuki Vinodini, Chairman and Managing Director of Kurukshetra NEET Academy. Every year, lakhs and lakhs of students are competing for this NEET and other competitive exams after 12th standard. Only very few candidates are getting through and they are getting into achieving their dream. So, here we Kurukshetra have come with the new and innovative and unique technologies and ideologies to help out those students. Since the competitive is pretty difficult for all the students, we have come with certain unique ideas, and here we go why you want to join Kurukshetra. Number one is we provide a unique learning and unique teaching methodology. Like we introducing a augmented reality technology and 3D. We put up more 3D images to better understanding of concepts, so that the students will be well versed, and so the students will get a concept clarity for that reason. And number two is we do provide a voluminous test series. Like we have a unique program called Grade 10,000 Plus, in which the student will be writing 100 tests, which comprises of 10,000 MCQs, so that we ensure that student is get the practice of solving the MCQ. Indirectly or directly, they will get to know about this skills that is required for solving the MCQ. So number two is our unique voluminous test series that will helpful for our students. And number three is our handouts and materials. We have our well developed R&D people, where in that R&D team our team is very much dedicated, and they put up in all their potential and effort to give a consolidated material so that the student can understand the concept very clearly. Number four is each and every student will have an individual mentor, so that throughout the training program the student is entitled to get a training, also the supplementary training, not only in means of academic, also psychologically. For example, this kind of competitive exam demands the student must have a strong personality and strong leadership. So indirectly, our Kurukshetra supports the student to bring up their leadership skill outside throughout this training. So every month the student will have a dedicated review and counseling session from the mentors, and the mentor is also available to the students throughout the training. Number five is the student will be provided with a digital tab, so that the students can able to take up online classes wherever they stay in, and also the student will take up all India mock test, since our branches are located throughout the India. So all India mock test will be conducted weekly once, and the student rank and performance will be evaluated, and it will be put up in a small graph. Now, these are the 5 unique technologies, unique ideologies and strategies where our Kurukshetra come out to help out the students and to clear the exams. We do provide for coaching for NEET, also for National Defence Academy NDA, and also for JEE. Here we go with a small example how this augmented reality or how this practical oriented teaching will help you to understand the concept. Let's go. So dear students, now let's try to understand the small topic with the augmented reality class, by using this kind of unique technology, so that you will get to know, you will get a very clarity in the concept, and also you will be well versed in the topic. So let's take a topic called the human brain. So on an average, the adult brain weighs between 1.0 kg to 1.5 kg. It is mainly composed of neurons. So the fundamental unit of the brain, which is the neuron. Let's see about this human brain. See, first of all, you need to understand the parts of the human brain. So the major part is forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. In forebrain, we have a cerebrum. We'll see about the cerebrum. So the cerebrum is the largest part. Through this diagram, through this picture, in the image you can see the very largest part of the brain is cerebrum. So when the question comes like in the MCQ, the largest part is this image, you should remember the largest part is cerebrum, which consists of cortex and other subcortical structures. So the main function of this cerebrum is to do a major function like thinking, intelligence, consciousness, memory. Okay. So we'll see what in depth about the cerebrum in due course of time. Next you have thalamus. So the thalamus is a very small structure. Look at the image, that is located right above the brain stem. So there is a brain stem. The right above is located, that is a thalamus. This thalamus is responsible for sensory information from the sense organs. So this thalamus is also responsible for transmitting the motor information for movement and coordination. Okay. So thalamus, understand carefully, thalamus is found in the limbic system, that is within the cerebrum. So next is hypothalamus. So hypothalamus is a small, and again it is very important part of the brain, that is located below the thalamus. So it is also considered the primary region of the brain, and it has certain function like it regulates the body temperature, it controls the emotions, it controls the sense of taste and smell. Okay. So next is cerebellum. So the cerebellum is the second largest part of the brain, which is located in the posterior portion of the medulla. Look at the image. The cerebellum and cerebrum are separated by a cerebellar tentorium. Okay. And the function of cerebellum is to again coordinate the eye movement. And it controls the body movements. So in this way, you can understand by visualizing the images, you can understand the part where it is located. I guess that this would be helpful, and this question was also previously asked, that location, the part of the brain locations. So by this image you might have understand, and you might have got a clarity of this particular concept. So dear students, this is a way our team developed for each and every topic a consolidated pattern of like providing 3D images, or providing or inculcating this kind of augmented reality classes and other technologies. So the main objective and aim of this kind of initiative is to ensure that you must get a well-versed in concept, and you should clear this exam and make the preparation very simple and easy. So along with NEET, we also provide training for ND and JEE in the same pattern only. And we are very proud that we are the first and forerunner to introduce this kind of technology in this training. So NEET training, and also we challenge that 70% of the questions will get reflected from our test series. So dear students, with the great hope and effort, definitely you will reach the success. I wish you all the very best for all of our students. Thank you.